Is the Euro-Aussie going up from here? Let's take a look at the charts. On the daily chart, beautiful bounce directly off 61.8 Fibonacci extension levels of the recent two daily legs. As it happens, the most recent falling trend line is broken to the upside, and while that happens, the 4-hour chart shows classical bullish price action and price structure. 3 higher highs, higher lows. We also see a bullish hidden divergence on the 4-hour chart. And as long as these Fibonacci levels you see on these charts hold, from my point of view, buy the dips is the correct trading plan for this pair.